Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to retrieve metadata from Salesforce using the Workbench. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first you will need just to go to your Workbench area or tool, and to do so you will need just to go to workbench.developerforce.com. Then you will need to log in with your Salesforce account. So here I'm going to agree on the terms of service and click on login with Salesforce. And basically, I only have a problem using the API of Salesforce, but the tool or the usage of this workbench is so easy. All you need to do when you log in, you will find this menu here. Then you will need just to choose migration, and here we will find the retrieve uh, choice. You click on retrieve and then it will take you to the retrieve menu or panel. So here you will need just to choose an unpacked packaged manifest file, for example, the package XML, so uh, then you can retrieve the metadata. So here you choose the file or where you have the manifest file, and then you can give it a package name. And of course you need to check or to mention if it is a single package or a multi-package. You click on next, and then the retrieval for your package will be successfully staged to retrieve request. So from here it will be like this, so you can see all the informations about or the metadata about your package. So as you can see, you can find the API version if it is a single package and all the things concerning this package. And then you will need just to click on retrieve, and you need just to download the zip file, and now you have your metadata that has been retrieved successfully from your package. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.